The former 5 Memphis police officers that were terminated and are now facing several charges against them had their first court appearance today.
Yeah.
Today's appearance included those 5 officers that have charges pending against them. Today's appearance allowed them, actually, their attorneys, to go ahead and offer what their plea was going to be in this case. And for each of them, Tadarrius Bean, Demetrius Haley, Emmitt Martin, Desmond Mills, and Justin Smith, the attorneys all entered a plea of not guilty. And I actually watched this as it took place. One of the other things that sort of came up when I was watching this before it actually started was this still outstanding issue of what about other cases that these former officers had been involved with. Now, it's being reported that the DA has said that there are up to 100 cases that they may have to go back and review to take a look at those to see if there were any issues with those. Now, remember, there was also a 6th officer who was terminated. Now, this officer is not a part of what was going on today. However, the DA has reportedly said that there are maybe up to 25 cases that they may be looking at as a result of that officer's actions, and that was Preston Hemphill. So the family was actually present there. Tyre Nichols' family was present in the courtroom today. And after the pleas were entered, the judge did make a few comments, some of those directed to the defendants and some of those to everyone else. And I want to just talk about some of the things that they said to the defendants. And one of the things the judge wanted to make clear to everyone was that this case was going to take a while. And the judge urged us all to be patient. But what the judge said to the defendants was work with your attorneys, told them that your attorneys are working on your behalf and that this may take some time because of all of the documents that are involved. So he definitely spoke to those defendants in the room. He then spoke to everybody else who was in the courtroom and asked for civility and patience from everyone. And he made some sort of statement. I'm going to have to paraphrase here because I didn't write it down exactly. He said that he was not going to allow behavior that would impact having a fair and just trial. So the judge is setting the stage for making sure that everyone understands what kind of behavior he is expecting in the courtroom from everyone, and not just the defendants, not just the defendants' attorneys, but others who may be in the courtroom too. So that was today's first hearing. All of the defendants, those 5 terminated Memphis police officers who were involved with the death of Tyre Nichols, all appeared today. Their attorneys spoke on their behalfs, entering pleas of not guilty. So I hope that brings you up to speed. If it does, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so that you can stay up to speed with what's going on in this case. Peace.